Hello, everyone. My name is Cláudio. I am in profession at the University Federal of Ouro Preto, and I will present the paper performed by me, Cláudio Márcio Santana, José Eduardo Maltoni Barros, and Elder Alves de Almeida Jr. The title of paper is Influence of Gasoline and Ethanol Combustion Process on the Block Vibration Level of Otto Cycle Engine. The objective this paper is investigate the main factors that affect the engine block vibration as function gasoline and ethanol fuel. This picture shows the setup of experimental test and the main parameters investigated in this work. For example, oil temperature, water temperature, engine rotation, torque and power, main effective pressure, advanced ignition engine, and engine block vibration. This picture shows the vibration measured in the engine block. X is transverse direction, Z is vertical direction, and Y is longitudinal direction. The experimental tests were performed from 1,000 to 6,000 engine rotation at full load conditions. This picture shows the transverse, longitudinal, and vertical vibration of engine operated with ethanol, red line, and gasoline, black line. We can see high intensity vibration in transverse direction, medium intensity vibration in vertical direction, and low intensity vibration in longitudinal direction. In our operation condition, ethanol engine presented high intensity vibration than gasoline engine. In our operation condition, the intensity vibration increased with increased engine rotation. This red line is transverse vibration in ethanol engine, and this black line is transverse vibration in gasoline engine. We can see high difference between the test with ethanol and gasoline. This red line is vertical vibration in ethanol engine, and this black line is vertical vibration in gasoline engine. We can see medium difference between the test with ethanol and gasoline. This red line is longitudinal vibration in ethanol engine, and this black line is longitudinal vibration in gasoline engine. We can see insignificant difference between the test with ethanol and gasoline in this case. This picture shows relationship between vertical vibration and torque measured in the engine. The red line is the torque in ethanol engine, and the black line is the torque in gasoline engine. The torque in ethanol is higher than gasoline. It results high intensity vibration in ethanol engine compared to gasoline engine. This picture shows relationship between vertical vibration in the engine and the power measured in the engine. The red line is the power in the ethanol engine, and the black line is the power in gasoline engine. The power in ethanol engine is high than power in gasoline engine. It results more intensity vibration in ethanol engine compared to gasoline engine. Also, we see the relationship between vertical vibration in the engine and mean effective pressure. The red line is mean effective pressure in the ethanol engine, and the black line is the mean effective pressure in gasoline engine. The mean effective pressure is high in ethanol engine than gasoline engine. It results more intensity vibration in ethanol engine compared to gasoline engine. The main parameters that influence the vibration, the vertical vibration in the engine is the torque, the open and close valve, and the dynamic of internal components. For example, piston, connected rod, crankshaft, bearing, and camshaft. The high torque and power result high vertical vibration. It's resulting high intensity vibration in the ethanol engine compared to gasoline engine, conforme we see in this picture. The average vertical vibration at gasoline was 4.42 meters per squared, and with ethanol was 633 meters per squared. This picture shows the transverse vibration in the engine compared to advanced ignition engine. The red line show this red line is advanced ignition in the ethanol engine, and the black line is advanced ignition in gasoline engine. The advanced ignition in ethanol engine is higher than advanced ignition in gasoline engine. It results more intensity vibration in ethanol engine compared to gasoline engine. The main factors that affect the transverse vibration in the engine was advanced ignition and the combustion pressure in cylinder. High pressure combustion and for the advanced ignition resulting high transverse vibration. The average transverse vibration at gasoline was 956 meters per squared, and with ethanol was 1638 meters per squared. The conclusion of paper is the vibration level in the engine depends of type of fuel. The average vertical vibration was 31% higher in the engine run on ethanol, and the transverse vibration was 56 high in the engine run on ethanol, and the longitudinal vibration was 3% higher in the engine run on ethanol. Thank you for attention.